Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your GoHighLevel API key. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in to your account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all the settings and integration features that GoHighLevel offers. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This section is where you can access all the configuration options for your GoHighLevel account, including integrations and API management. Once you're in the settings area, navigate to the left sidebar again. Here you'll find an option called Private Integrations. Click on it to proceed. This is the specific area where GoHighLevel allows you to create and manage API keys for custom integrations with external tools and services. Now you'll see a button that says Create New Integration. Go ahead and click on this button to start the process of generating your API key. This step is essential because it initiates the creation of a new integration that will give you the access credentials you need. Next, you'll be prompted to input a name for your integration. Choose something descriptive that helps you remember what this API key will be used for. You also have the option to add a description, but this field is completely optional. If you want to add extra details about the purpose of this integration, feel free to do so, but it's not required to proceed. After entering the name and optional description, click the next button to move forward. This takes you to the permissions section where you'll define what access this API key should have. Now you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to select scopes for your integration. Scopes determine what actions and data this API key can access within your GoHighLevel account. Click on the drop-down and you'll notice an option to select all. If you want this API key to have full access to all available features, go ahead and check Select All. This ensures your integration has the necessary permissions to function properly. Once you've selected your scopes, click the Create button. This will generate your new integration and prepare your API key for use. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Click Confirm to finalize the creation process. This step ensures that you're intentionally creating this integration and helps prevent accidental API key generation. After confirming, your API key will appear on the screen. This is the credential you'll use to connect GoHighLevel with other applications or services. Make sure to keep this key secure and don't share it publicly, as it provides access to your GoHighLevel account. Finally, you'll see a Copy button next to your API key. Click Copy to save the key to your clipboard. You can now paste this API key wherever you need it, whether that's in another application, a development environment, or your notes for safekeeping. And that's it. You've successfully generated and copied your GoHighLevel API key, giving you the ability to integrate GoHighLevel with external tools and automate your workflows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.